Mastering idiomatic expressions. Look a shade. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, look a shade. This expression might sound straightforward, but it's packed with nuance. So, let's get started. First things first, what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning can't be understood from the individual words. It's like a code. Until you learn it, it doesn't make sense. Look a shade is one such idiom, and today, we're decoding it for you. Now, let's break down the phrase, look a shade. When someone says you look a shade of something, they mean you appear slightly like that thing or in that condition. For example, look a shade tired implies you seem a little bit tired, not completely exhausted. Let's put our idiom into action. How would you use look a shade in a sentence? Here are a few examples. After the long walk, Jenna looked a shade worn out. You look a shade concerned, the teacher said to the student. The sky looked a shade darker than usual, signaling rain. These sentences show that the phrase adds a subtle touch to the description, making it more dynamic and expressive. Like many idioms, look a shade can be varied. Sometimes people say, a shade of, followed by a color to indicate a slight tone. For instance, the walls were painted a shade of blue, means the walls were painted slightly blue or had a hint of blue. And that's a wrap on the expression, look a shade. Remember, idioms are the spices of the language. They add flavor and color to our conversations. We hope this video has shed some light on this particular phrase for you. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll look a shade more fluent in English. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.